So basically, this is Chainsaw Man.
Huh. Where am I? Am I dreaming? No. I can't die. I wanna be alive. Maybe I want to live in a normal life and die in a normal life. But I want to be resurrected.
You got it.
Wait! Who's talking to me?
It's me, the narrator. I know I'm not supposed to be involved of a story, but I have an ability to resurrect you.
Oh, you do?
Yes, now I'm going to resurrect you.
Oh no!
Who are you?
I'm Chainsaw Man. I'm now going to kill each one of you.
Hello, my name is Makima. What's your name?
My name is Denji. I am Chainsaw Man. And by the way, can I go with you?
Yes, you can.
Later, when Makima shows Denji her team.
Those are my crew that I would like you to introduce.
Hello, my name is Power. Hello, my name is Himino.
Hello, my name is Aki, and my name is Kishide.
What do you think about my crew?
It's cool. And I like it.
Thanks. Forget Denji. I'm going to kill Power. That will bring Denji's happiness down. Ha 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 ha.
Later, that day.
Someone's knocking. Open the door, Denji. I will go with you.
Okay, Makima.
Bang.
Why did you kill Power?
Because this is my plan. I've been using you, so I could discover the power of the devils. And my main goal is to use you, use devils, take over Japan. And right now, my main goal is to kill you. Ha 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 ha.
I need to get out of here before she kills me.
Later, when Denji finds Gun Devil.
So, this is where it ends. Gun Devil.
Not unless you kill me.
No! Time to die.
That hurts, and I'm defeated.
Now, I need to go find Makima and kill her.
Later, when Denji finds Makima.
I'm going to kill you, and take over Japan.
Oh no, you ain't. I killed Makima, and Power is dead. Wah!
Denji, what happened?
I have to kill Makima, because she used me and betrayed me. And she wanted to take over Japan by using devils. So, I have to kill her. And, I got sad news, Kashib.
What's the bad news?
Makima killed Power. Wah!
Don't worry, that's okay. But you killed Makima for revenge. Don't worry, I will buy all of you food, including you, Denji. That will help you feel better.
Thanks, Kashib.
Subscribe to my channel.